Hey foodies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make the best chili you have ever made or is going to be making, okay? So this I did add one extra ingredient. I'm not sure if you guys have ever done it before. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box. All right, so the first thing, we're going to preheat our pan and add some oil. Then we are going to add all of our aromatics here, and that is your onions, your celery, your garlic, and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes and really low. When it becomes nice and fragrant, right, smells up your kitchen, you're going to add some tomato paste. Now for me, I love to cook with my tomato paste. I do not like raw tomato paste, the taste of it. So after about a minute, I go in with my beef. All right, then after about 10 minutes, I add my mushrooms. Now this is my twist. I am not sure if you guys have ever had mushrooms with chili with mushrooms before, but this adds so much depth of flavor. The earthiness, the richness is just out of this world. And you're going to season, right? Allow this to cook down well on medium low. Everything I'm using here will be in the description box. Now, to me, green bell peppers are just my opinion and my opinion only. Green bell peppers has the most flavor in the bell pepper family. Let me know in the comment section, what are your thoughts on that? All right, and after about 10 minutes of adding the peppers, you're gonna go in with your beans. You can use whatever beans you like. I'm using black and kidney beans together. Add your crushed tomatoes, and I'm using basil and garlic. Tomato here. Then you're going to add your stock. You don't want to add too much, all right, because you really don't want this runny, soupy chili. You want it nice and rich, thick like me, and hearty. All right, so let's don't add too much of stock here, guys. Now you can adjust. Now this is after about an hour. It looks amazing. Look at this. Beautiful and delicious. The flavor, I wish I can send some for you guys, but the recipe is there. Please make it. Let me know how yours turned out. Absolutely hearty. This was eaten with some cornbread. I didn't want to stretch the video out too long, but I'll leave the link to that, or I'll drop the video for that later. All right, so thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, and share. All right, so be kind to yourself and each other. Stay beautiful, stay handsome until I see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.